Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video on Artland, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Jaws surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. Go ahead and take your paper, line up the corners, and give it a nice fold down the middle. That way you have a little birthday card shape that you can open up. Next, go ahead, take your paper, fold it in half one more time, and then give it another nice fold right down the middle. And this way it kind of looks like a big bookmark. Now when you open it up, you have two different ways. You can have it like this, so you pull down to open it up, or you can have it like this, where you pull up to open it. And you have these nice little guidelines in here where you can keep the inside of your drawing hidden. Now to start off with this, let's begin by drawing a small boat right up here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start right here, and we're just going to make kind of like a wavy little line right across here for some water. It just goes from one end of our paper to the next. Then right on top of here, let's make our boat. I'm going to start right about here, and let's make a little line that just comes down for the front of the boat. Next, let's go ahead and draw a line that's going to come across. Next, just go ahead and draw a line that comes down. Now I want to kind of make this look like the boat from the movie Jaws. So what I'm going to do is let's start by drawing a line that's going to go up. We'll come over and down like this, kind of like a rectangle shape. At the top here, I'm going to make a straight line. I'll go over. Then let's just come down at an angle. Starting right here, let's go ahead and draw a line that's going to come up. Then we're going to come down here real quick and give it a little bit of color in there. Right here, we're going to go down, and then we're going to bring this line over. Let's go ahead and make 3 black circles right here, just for some little windows in the boat. Then we'll go ahead and draw a line that's going to go up and over. We'll put some little lines that come down here for some detail. I'll make a little line that comes across here with a couple more little lines on here. We'll draw a little line up here. And then I'm going to make 2 little lines across here. And right here, let's make a line that's going to come up and then down here, so it looks like they're fishing. Now, once we have that, we want to open this up and then draw our shark on the inside. After we open it up, we want to put our shark on the inside. And we want to be careful because we don't want to draw down here, because then we would see the bottom of our shark and that just won't work. So what we're going to do is we're going to start right inside of here. Let's go ahead and draw a line that's going to come up. Now make sure you don't go past this little fold line right here. Next, we're just going to go ahead and do that same shape on this side. We're just going to bring it down here. Now, starting here, we're going to make a nice, big, long sad face for the mouth. Then right here, we're going to make another big, tall, sad face. It's just going to go up and down. Inside the mouth, I'm going to draw another little sad face. And then we're going to make another tall, sad face. And I'm keeping these pretty close. These are going to be like the gums of our shark. I'm going to go ahead and draw some nice, sharp, pointy teeth. We'll do the same thing at the top. Let's draw some nice, sharp, pointy teeth. Some nice big V shapes all the way across. You can make them some different sizes too. Now I'm going to use the fold as kind of like a guide. So I'm going to go down just a little bit from the fold, and I'm going to make a tall, skinny oval shape right here. We'll do the same thing here. Find that fold, go down a little bit, and let's just make a tall, skinny oval shape. We'll make a little circle at the top of each oval. Then we're just going to go ahead and color in this part here. Do that on both sides here. Now up here, I'm going to make a little black dot on each side for the nose. And then right across here, I'm going to make a little wavy line that's just going to go up and down. And then I'm going to make a little line or two right here underneath the mouth. Then right here, I'm just going to go and make like some wavy lines across here, so it looks like the shark's getting ready to kind of jump out of the water. And then we can always put a couple more back here too, just for a little bit extra detail. And there you go, there is your drawing of a little Jaws Shark Surprise fold. So when you have your paper all folded, you have the boat right here. And then when you open it up, you have Jaws getting ready to jump out of the water to attack them. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.